Next, we proceed with function of three variables. Okay, the definition of function of three variables is we map the independent variables x, y, and z to the dependent variable w, which is equals to f of x, y, and z. The domain is the set of numbers of x, y, and z, which are mapped to the dependent variable w, and the range consists of the output values for w. Look at our example here. We have a function f equals to yz over x plus 2, and then you have to find what is f of 0, 1, 1, and f of -1, 1, 3, and you also have to find the domain and the range. Okay, so it is quite simple. What you have to do is just substitute the value of x, y, and also z equals to 1. Okay, so we have our y equals to 1, our z equals to 1, and our x equals to 0. Okay, then simplify, you will get your answer 1 over 2. Okay, next, just substitute your y equals to 1, and then substitute your z equals to 3, and substitute your x equals to -1, then simplify, you will get your final answer equals to 3. Find the domain of the function f. Okay, so you have to think, okay, we have denominator here. Okay, we know that denominator cannot be equals to 0 because it leads to undefined. Okay, so it means that your x cannot be -2. Cannot be -2. Okay, so that's why we have our x here can't be -2. Okay, not equals to -2. Next, what is our range? Okay, we can think of global here, what the value of f should be. Okay, for sure, f can be 0 whenever your y equals to 0, then this f will be 0. Also, positive value is also possible when your yz is positive and your x plus 2 is positive, and your f, it can be negative whenever your y or yz equals to negative. X plus 2 here takes the value of positive. Negative over positive will be negative, so it can be concluded that it can take any values. That's why we just declare our w or our function f here is a member of real numbers. Here is a real numbers.